Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the background wallpaper on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press and hold anywhere on your current background wallpaper. This will bring up a menu with several customization options for your home screen. From the options that appear, tap on Wallpaper and Style. This is where you can access all the personalization features for your Pixel device, including wallpapers, themes, and color schemes. Next, tap on Wallpapers. This will open up the entire wallpaper library available on your device, giving you access to Google's curated collections as well as your personal photos. Once you're in the Wallpapers section, you'll see all the different collections available. These collections include various categories like landscapes, abstract designs, textures, and more. Feel free to tap on any collection that catches your eye to browse through the options. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to use one of your own photos as your wallpaper, simply tap Choose a Photo. This allows you to select any image from your gallery, whether it's a personal photo, a screenshot, or something you've downloaded. Using your own photos gives you complete creative control over how your home screen looks. Once you've selected your preferred wallpaper, whether from a collection or your personal photos, you'll see a preview of it on your screen. This preview shows you exactly how the wallpaper will look on both your home screen and lock screen, so you can make sure it fits well with your icons and widgets. If you need to adjust the positioning or cropping of the image, you can tap the wallpaper to edit your photo and move it around. This is especially useful if you want to focus on a specific part of the image or if the automatic cropping doesn't look quite right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, tap Next in the upper right corner. This will take you to the final step where you can choose where to apply your new wallpaper. Finally, tap Apply to set your new background wallpaper. Your Pixel will immediately update with your chosen image, giving your device a fresh new look. And that's it. You've successfully changed your background wallpaper and personalized your Google Pixel exactly how you want it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.